And now it's time to talk about the three final tools for creating roofs: soffit, fascia, and gutter. Let me show you some slides here that I have downloaded them for you. When we model a sloped roof, the bottom part of the roof, which is in connection with wall, is called soffit, and as you can see, the edge is called fascia, and these are gutter, as you can see. So soffit, fascia, and gutter, as you can see. So these three tools are being used for modeling the minor models. Again, we're gonna start from modeling walls, and then we open the level 2 using roof and defining the overhang 1 meter and 20 centimeters, and I undefine slope and finish. Here, as you can see, in this part, let me hide the level. If I attach the walls to the roof, as you can see, this part is empty that we want to fill it. Okay, so this is the first one, to soffit. I open level 2, and then for make the walls visible, I set it to wireframe, or I can use show hidden lines and set it to all to show the hidden lines in dotted lines, like this way. Then I can click on roof soffit to create a roof soffit in the building model. Then we'll have pick roof edges. We click on roof edges, watch this, and then pick walls, and then using trim corners, like this way. Afterwards, we delete these since I have, I think, clicked twice. Yes, let me delete them, and deleting these, and then I click on finish. Right now, if I add the section view and check out the result in the section, watch this, this has been added on the level. I should adjust the position and defining a height offset from level. For example, level 1, and then height offset from level. I can define, let me measure its distance, 3307. I can select it, defining 3307 for the height offset from level. And I can consider the thickness, these two, to duplicate a new type, 125 millimeters, like this way. This is the result, and I can join the intersection part like this way. And now the soffit is model. You can use soffit or roof soffit to fill this gap. And then for modeling the fascia, watch this, these edges, that we can assign different materials as well to the fascia, or I can define 3200s to move it downwards, and then creating the roof fascia. I click on roof fascia, and then I click on the edges to create the fascia. Watch this, and I here, as you can see, it behaves like sweep. This is the result. Here we got the profile, we can select it, we can change the direction toward inside or outside, or defining an offset for it, vertical profile offset. Watch this, or horizontal profile offset. Great, watch this. This is the result. Or we can open edit type, and then in profile we can change the profile like this way, and we can assign a material for it in material browser, whatever we want. I choose wood. Okay, done. And also we can replace whatever profiles we want. I mean, we can create a new profile, metric profile. I want to model a customized profile for myself and then replacing it for using it as a fascia for roof 500s here, 300s, and something like this. Watch this. Then profile usage, fascia. Then I load it. At first I save it and then I want to load it. Save IR roof fascia and save. Then I load it into the project. Then if I select it here in edit type, I duplicate it and I choose the roof fascia profile. Watch this. So you can replace whatever profiles you want and create some innovative things. And for the gutter, you can click on the edges. Watch this. You can click on the edge of fascia like this way. Check it out. And also I can select it, opening edit type, specifying PVC or metal material based on our needs, like this way. Or also we can change the type of the gutter as well. Watch this. Or other types. However, this is not a gutter, but whatever profiles. Again, you can open a new family template file, metric profile, to model a new gutter. For example, I want to draw an arch. Let's see, 10 centimeters. Pick line, defining the offset, 1, 2, by this way. Like this way. I delete that. And then using line to close the profile. And also the other side. Or whatever objects. I search for gutter and set the profile usage to gutter, saving the file. IR fascia gutter, I replace it with gutter. Save and load it into the project. Right now, if I select this, I can replace the profile, new profile, and apply it. Then this will be the new gutter here. Watch this. So by this way, you can add fascia, gutter, soffit, as we mentioned, like this way, to model them and add to the roof of the model.